Excel enthusiast. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how we can convert this raw data into a attractive table which is very easy to understand also. So we first have to select the whole data and press Ctrl T. It will ask you the range you want to create a data. If you want the whole data to be in a table, press enter. Now see, in just a second you have created a simple looking table into such an attractive table which is very easy to understand. Here you can also sort your data like from A to Z or to A. You want to select a specific job role, for example accountant only, then we will have the data of only the accountants. Then if we want to select a range of the data shows the salary smallest to largest, so we can do it in also in such a way. So this is a very easy task you can do in just a second. So if you like our video, follow Excel up to Excel such skill subscribers. Thank you. See you in our next video. Bye bye.